I swear, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta stay off of TikTok. Here's another one of them TikTok recipes that we're gonna see if they actually work. Apparently, we've been making brownies the wrong way. Simple brownie box mix here. It usually says use a quarter cup of water, pour a third a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Apparently, you don't do that. Apparently, all you do is box of brownie mix, 1 egg, and a regular can of Eagle brand condensed sweetened milk. So let's put this all together. I got my other camera here looking into the mixer so you guys can see everything's going to be done in one shot. There's no switches of anything, so let's see if this actually works. Wow, I just butchered the heck out of this box. My gosh. Cut that open. Into the mixer. Ooh, there's even chocolate chips already in here. That's awesome. Make sure you got your oven preheating if you're using a glass dish like me. It says to preheat 325 degrees, and you're gonna bake for 35 to 38 minutes. So there you go, you got your mix in there. It does say 1 cracked egg. So let's put 1 egg in here. And then 1 can of Eagle brand condensed milk. This stuff goes amazing in coffee. Let's just get that into the mixer. Get every little bit in there. There we go. And this can just sit here. We're gonna go ahead and mix. Of course, makes a mess on the counter, but whatever. Careful when you're in here with a spatula inside the mixing bowl. Let's get some speed going here. And I'll show you guys what that camera sees here in the video. That way you can see inside the bowl. Apparently these are the best brownies ever. The sweetest, the creamiest, the gooeyest. So we're gonna find out here if TikTok is lying or not. I say that looks like it's good mixed up to me. Sure. Looks good enough to me. Get these out of the way. For safety, if you're going to touch the beaters, make sure you unplug it. You don't want to have to be running to the emergency room after your hands get beaten up in here. So let's remove the beaters. I really should have put something here on the counter to put these onto. That's okay. They can just go there. This can go out of the way. Move you. Bring over our lightly greased pan. I just use good old Pam for that. Let's go ahead and dump this in. Kind of hard to do it one-handed here, but that's okay. You want to get all the bits in there. Boy, is this stuff ever thick. Wondering if that's why it actually needs water. But apparently you don't, so we're gonna give it a try. There you go, good enough. Ooh, chocolatey. Looks pretty good. What do you guys say? Into the oven? Into the oven we go, middle rack. For 38 minutes. So it's been roughly about 35 to 38 minutes. We're just counting down here the last couple of seconds, and we're gonna go ahead and pull them out of the oven and see how they turned out. 3, 2, 1. They look not too bad. You guys will see it from this camera. Go ahead and take your toothpick. Nope, as you guys can see right there, it comes out dirty. Still needs a little bit more time. Quite dirty, so definitely needs more time. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this back in the oven for probably another, I'd say 10 or so minutes. It definitely hasn't even started to burn, so go ahead and pop this back in the oven. Set for another 10. And there we go. We'll come on back when those, after the next 10 minutes. So another 10 to 15 minutes has elapsed, and we're gonna go ahead and check them. Looks pretty good to me. As you can see, I have poked a couple holes in it from that camera there. Take your toothpick again. And she's coming out clean. Looks good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cool off before we cut into them. Quick question for you guys. Are you guys an outer edge person or the inside? Personally, I like the inside. So we're gonna let these cool off and we'll give them a cut and we'll see how they taste here in a few minutes. So we've gone ahead and let these cool off a little bit. Let's see how they turned out. They're a little bit crispy on the edge, but that's okay. That's how a lot of people like these brownies. I'll just take a little piece right here, I guess. Yeah, definitely cooked all the way through. See how they taste. If this is actually, if it follows the TikTok and is really good. Wow. Oh my. Those are so chewy. Okay, yep. TikTok was onto something here. My gosh, these are good. So there you guys go. Yeah, the TikTok recipe did work. All you do is you add a can of Eagle brand condensed milk, 1 egg, and a box of brownie mix. You got some of the best brownies ever. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you follow along. Check out all the other videos I've done. I've done a couple other TikTok reviews. And if anybody has any comments or questions, drop me a line. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you follow, subscribe, and like, and share this with your friends. See you again next time.